Completing a facial similarity check, or FSC, with PensionBee couldn't be easier. If you've been asked by your BeeKeeper to verify your identity using this method, here's what you need to know. You might be asked to complete a facial similarity check for a number of reasons. Most commonly, these requests are made during a change of personal details or your first withdrawal. To carry out a facial similarity check, we've partnered with Onfido to provide our customers with a convenient and secure way to verify their identities. If you need to complete a facial similarity check, you'll be redirected to Onfido's platform. Onfido then uses its technology to verify your identity and will return the results to us. To complete a facial similarity check, you'll need to have a smartphone or tablet with a camera to take a selfie. You'll also need a valid form of photo identification. More on that later. Let's get started. You'll receive an email from Onfido informing you that you'll need to complete an online form to verify your identity with PensionBee. First, you'll need to open the link in the email. From here, you should see your first and last name entered in the boxes provided. This information is pulled through from your PensionBee account. You can check the spelling, and if it's wrong, please reach out to your BeeKeeper to update your name with us. Then click the Next Step button. Second, you'll need to add a photo of your identity document. This will need to be both in date and not expired, with personal details matching those you provided to us. The default document requested will be a passport. But if that's not possible, you can choose to verify your identity with a driving license. If you're not sure whether you have a valid identity document, please contact your BeeKeeper for support. If you choose to upload a driving license to verify your identity, please take a moment to follow the instructions on your screen. You'll need to take 2 photos, one of the front and one of the back of the card. Your photos should show all 4 corners of the card, and the card must not be covered in any way. Placing your identity card on a flat surface may help you capture it best. Photos that don't meet this criteria will be rejected, and you'll have to begin the process again. You should be able to review the images you've taken and assess whether they meet the requirements for a clear, fully captured photo. Then you'll need to add a profile picture of your face, commonly known as a selfie. Your selfie will only be used to compare with the photo on your identity document, to know it's really you. Before you take your selfie, remove any accessories or eyewear that could hide your facial features. Be aware of your surroundings, especially the lighting. As you take your selfie, hold your device at eye level. You're advised to keep a neutral expression and look straight into the camera when taking the photo. You can review your photo to ensure you meet these requirements. If not, simply delete the photo and try again. Once you're happy with the photo you've taken, click the Submit Verification button below. And that's it! You'll see the confirmation that your checks are being processed and sent to us. Our facial similarity check process through Onfido is the simplest method of authenticating your identity. If the facial similarity check doesn't pass, your BeeKeeper will review the results and invite you to try this verification method again as a first step. If you're still unable to digitally prove your identity, your BeeKeeper may need to request certified documents. And that's it. Completing a facial similarity check made simple by PensionBee. Thanks for watching.